So in this RBC app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a first home savings account or an FHSA on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on more. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says products and then press on open an account. Once you're here, I want you to go to the bottom and press on investments. On the investments page, you can select one of three options, either RBC Invest Ease, RBC Royal Bank, or RBC Direct Investing. For this demonstration, which by the way, you can open up an FHSA in any one of these, I'm just going to go ahead and press RBC Direct Investing. So once you're here, what I want you to do is actually scroll down to where it says choose another account, and it says new first home savings account. So I want you to press on the drop down, and if you press continue right here, it's going to bring you to the next page where you have to verify your name and your date of birth. Then you can proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up a first home savings account or an FHSA on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.